Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the battery level of your earbuds not reliable. Of course, I'm talking about the SOUNDCORE LIBERTY 5. This issue is rather easy to cover. The first thing you need to do is to unpair your earbuds from your phone. After the unpair, you need to just turn off your device. While the device is turned off, open the case and hold this button over here for 10 seconds. When it's done, you'll be able to see the factory reset. This light should be flashing rapidly 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This is the factory reset, and now after this factory reset, your device will be good to go. If it still doesn't work for you after the pairing, you need to now You need to now charge your earbuds up to 1%, so leave them plugged into the power for some time, and everything should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, you need to contact device support. It's the easiest thing to do. Goodbye!